ARCM Roofing. Here's another recent customer video testimonial about our customer service and her roof installation. We worked closely with Carrie and her insurance company.
Hi, my name's Anthony with ARCM Roofing. I'm here with Carrie Crawford, and we just got done doing her home, and we did some great stuff for you as well. We upgraded your shingle to the Class 4 shingle to save you some money on your homeowner's insurance. We put some modified bitumen, a base sheet, and a cap sheet near the front door, so we spared no expense to do the proper installation. Just want to give a thumbs up and find out how we did, and what'd you think of how we did?
Did a wonderful job, thank you, and also great customer service. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you, Carrie. I really appreciate it. My name is Anthony with ARCM Roofing. Just another customer testimonial of the type of service that we offer and the job that we do. I can be reached at www.arcmroofing.com or 303-306-8334. Thanks so much. Have a great day.